Hello, welcome my dear viewers to Madeline's Kitchen. I'm with a recipe called the carrot halwa. Come, let's get going. Lit this container and kept it on a medium flame. I'll start with the recipe. Once the pot is hot, I'll put in 2 teaspoons of pure ghee, clarified butter. Okay. Once this gets hot, I'll put in this half kg of this type of carrot. They're sweet. Okay, I washed it, cleaned it, scraped it, okay, grated it, and now I will fry it in this ghee. So it is a half kg of carrot. I've keep stirring it. Don't allow it to burn till most of the water, okay, natural water from this carrot evaporate. As this is getting fried, I'll put in a small stick of cinnamon and 3 cloves just for the aroma of the spice. Okay, as the carrots are getting fried, roasted with the ghee, I'm going to put few strands of saffron. It gives good aroma, flavor and taste. Now I will put in 1.5 cup of milk. Allow the carrot to cook in the milk. Let it cook. There is no hurry. Let it cook on medium flame. And please keep stirring it now and then, not to allow it to burn. Let it cook. Okay, now I'll put in 3/4 cup of the sugar. I'm not putting more because the carrot by itself is sweet and too much of sugar also doesn't taste good. Now this sugar will release water. Okay, and remember, let the flame be on medium. Let it get cooked. See the color. Every time when you cook or do anything, one must have lot of patience. Okay. Some people say so long video. It is, cooking itself is like that. Okay. A pinch of salt. Always in any sweet dish you have to put a pinch of salt. Now this is cardamom. This is green cardamom powder. I have powdered along with little sugar because then only it becomes fine. Okay, put half a teaspoon. Now this is small spoon. Half a teaspoon of cardamom. The carrot scrapings have become soft. You saw what are the ingredients gone into it. Now okay, this is khoa. Some people you can use condensed milk, okay, because I am using khoa, I am not going to use condensed milk. You can also use cream if you want, thick cream, but I am going to use this khoa. I will add into the carrot. So instead of condensed milk, I am using this khoa. Is as good as condensed milk. Keep stirring it so that it becomes a homogeneous mix. Have you seen the texture of this carrot? Become very soft. Means it is cooked. Now let this khoa get mixed about it. Have you noticed in this there are dry fruits of 4 kinds. You have pieces of cashew nuts, you have this currants, then you have pistachio chopped, and the almonds, badam. Okay. Now I will put it into that so that it gets cooked along with the halwa. Keep the dry fruits get cooked. Some people, after making the carrot halwa, then they garnish it. I think it's the same. You can keep some dry fruits to garnish it once it is served. I have to put another. If you don't want, it doesn't matter, but I like another 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let it get cooked and you will see the ghee at the side of the dish. It will get cooked. Yeah. Okay, this is done. You know why? See, the ghee has got mixed with this and it's cooked also. Get it at the table. Put off the gas. I will garnish it with some dry fruits. I've already put in that, but just little dressing. I will taste it now. Very good. That khoa, the dry fruits, and the sugar is just right. Don't never go to put more sugar. You know why? Because the carrot itself is sweetish. I feel like finishing the whole thing. I'm going to sit down and eat. Too much it will become. Anyway, Who wants to taste? Julia? My dear viewers, prepare this dish which is sweet as a dessert. Okay? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit the bell icon. Enjoy cooking the recipes that I do. See you next time. Bye bye.